आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते, कैसे हो, एला उन्नारू। सो गुड मॉर्निंग जोड़ी राइडर्स में, और मैं तैयार भी हो गई हूँ। एक कप चाय भी पी रही हूँ एंड द टाइम इज 6:30, ऑलमोस्ट 7 तक पूरा रैपअप होना है। एंड यू कैन सी माई लिटिल बेबी इज देयर सेइंग कोई 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 कोई। रात में आई थी, इट वॉज प्लेजर हैविंग हर यस्टरडे नाइट। लाइक जो स्ट्रेस था कितने दिनों से कि पैकिंग करना है, राइड के लिए प्रिपेयर होना है, एवरीथिंग, इट ऑल वेंट ऑफ विथ हर अपीयरेंस। बट I can't explain you that emotional thing. It's dragging me back, saying mama, 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 mummy, mummy from yesterday night. Even they might know कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं. That's the reason she is more attracted, more coming forward to mom and dad. मतलब पहले तो आराम से रह जाती थी नानी के पास, बट अभी बहुत रोने लग गई. So it's very hard to divert her this time. And सिर्फ अभी केयर अप होना है. एंड मेरे हस्बैंड ऑलरेडी शवर लेने गए. वंस इज बैक, हमारी गाड़ी पर भी पूरा सामान आ जाएगा, देन वी कैन स्टार्ट अप इजीली.
డార్లింగ్ వీడియోలో రాదంట. నీకు ఫనవా మిల్క్ వద్దా?
हमारी सुबह रोज 8 साढ़े 8 को होती है, बट आज 6 बजे हो गया. एंड अपने पापा को चिपक के
इज होल्डिंग टाइट.
कैंडी इज होल्डिंग नाना.
हाय చెప్పు.
नो नो हाय, नो हाय.
పట్టుకో.
स्लीप एंड ड्रिंक नाउ.
లైట్ బంద్ చేయండి. క్యాండీ విల్ స్లీప్ నౌ.
Candy sitting on a super bike? What is this? That is a tank bag.
Mama, you want to play?
I want to sit there. You will drive? You will drive the bike?
Yeah.
Should I sit backside?
Yeah.
Okay. Nana will sit?
Then will go in Nana car.
Oh.
Then who will go on bike?
Nana will go on bike.
जो लागे हैया पुश. राइड के लिए शी इज ऑल रेडी. शी woke up, she had her shower, she had her breakfast, and now she is not going inside. She wants to sit on this bike only. You want to come here only? Yeah. How to divert her? It's getting really tough now. We already geared up. मतलब half geared up. Only jacket डाल के बस निकलना है. And the time is 7:50. Only 10 minutes to go from here. By 8:30 there will be a flag off nearby our place at MLA office. And here are some visitors. Hi. There are some visitors who came for a send off here. Very excited. So how are you feeling having this much luggage on your bike?
Feeling heavy.
Feeling heavy? Candy, Nana is feeling heavy. So gear up हो गए. Everybody is ready now. And here my kitty pie is crying. No. Slightly emotional. Very thank you వచ్చినందుకు. Very much thank you. Very much privileged. అయితే మేము ఇప్పుడు వెళ్తున్న ప్లేస్ నుంచి మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్కి లేదా ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరికీ ఒక చిన్న సర్ప్రైజ్ మా నుంచి అని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో ఒక స్లిప్ ఇస్తాము, దీంట్లో మీ అడ్రస్ రాయాలి. మీ అడ్రస్, మీ పేరు, మీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్, రైట్. సో అవి రాసేసి నాకు ఇస్తే ఇలా లక్కీ 10 మెంబర్స్కి మేము పోతున్న ప్లేస్ నుంచి మీకు సర్ప్రైజ్ వస్తుంది. That's for sure. And you will feel privileged. And if anybody wants pen కూడా ఉన్నాయి. తీసుకోకండి లేదు మంచి రాయండి లేకపోతే మళ్ళీ మెసేజ్ కావాలంటే ఆ మెసేజ్ కూడా రాయండి.
ముందు నీ సంగతి చూడమని చెప్పా, తర్వాత ఈ సంగతులు తీసుకోమని చెప్పా.
హ్యాపీ విజయ్, హ్యాపీ జర్నీ.
చాలా మంది ఏమనుకుంటారు మోటార్ సైకిల్ రైడింగ్ ఇది ఓన్లీ మేల్కి సెట్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటారు. బట్ లైక్ వీఆర్ సెట్టింగ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ వేరే కపుల్స్ కెన్ ఆల్సో ట్రావెల్. లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ మోర్ టైమ్ మన కపుల్కి సో వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇన్ బెటర్ రోడ్ చెక్కింగ్ రైట్
నుంచి కన్యాకుమారి వెళ్ళి అక్కడి నుంచి కాశ్మీర్ వరకు ఈ బైక్ మీద వెళ్ళడం జరుగుతుంది వాళ్ళు.
It's a great privilege. The time is 9:30 now and almost 1 घंटा हो गया है. We are at MLA office here. Supporters, viewers, everybody is here. Feeling very, very, very glad. So एक proper flag off के बाद we are slightly relaxed. We are waiting for one of our Sassur ji. And it was very glad that so many people came to meet us in a very short time. And यहाँ पर अपना फ्लैग ऑफ हुआ था. You might be seeing that we haven't got a single second to take out our phone. Now we got relaxed after 1 hour. And this time my Sasu Ma also came for send off. That was a privilege to have her here this time.
K2K రైడ్లో పాసిబుల్ అయింది. మమ్మీ లవ్ యూ సో మచ్. క్యాంటీ జాగ్రత్త, నువ్వు జాగ్రత్త, నేను జాగ్రత్త పోయి సీత నేను జాగ్రత్త పోయి వస్తాను. ఓకే
Bye everybody. Ride has just begun. Traffic jam. Traffic. Full traffic jam. When we are with people it will be very difficult to vlog. तो वही हुआ था, मतलब इतने सारे लोग को देखकर वहाँ पे क्या vlog करना है क्या है वो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. It was like out of emotional feelings what we speak, मतलब वर्ड्स नहीं मिलते हैं. तो वहाँ से डिस्पर्स होके यहाँ पर आ गए हैं रेनॉक्स स्टोर्स के पास टू हैव ए स्मॉल गैदरिंग विद आवर सब्सक्राइबर्स. एक सेंड ऑफ यहाँ से और फिर हमारा राइड स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. To break in the ride and it's 12 बज गए 12 o'clock and we are having the breakfast now. That is at Hill Pass, right? The first time I am coming to this place. Good place. आराम से अपनी गाड़ी यहाँ पे पार्क करो और उसको देखते हुए अपनी आंखों के सामने ब्रेकफास्ट करो या लंच करो. एंड वी थॉट ऑफ हैविंग लंच बट यहाँ पे अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है तो वी आर हैविंग गुड ब्रेकफास्ट नाउ. बेचारा तब से खाना नहीं खाया. ही वॉज वेरी हंग्री. आई हैड मैगी, मैंने चाय पिया, मैगी खाया और निकल पड़ी. बट ही वॉज वेरी बिजी सो हो नहीं पाया. तो जो अभी आया है उसको खा के फिर एक हॉल लेंगे. देन वी हैव लंच अराउंड 4-5 o'clock. एंड तब से ब्लॉग क्यों नहीं किया, मतलब फ़ोन चार्जिंग पे था, चार्जिंग भी ख़त्म हो गया. इट वॉज ओनली 25%. सो आई पुट इट ऑन ए चार्ज. नाउ इट इज़ 100% फुल. एंड यहाँ से कन्याकुमारी NH44 हम लोग जब चढ़े थे इट इज़ 1193 किलोमीटर्स, राइट? इट इज़ 1193 किलोमीटर्स कन्याकुमारी यहाँ से. तो एक दिन में चले जाएंगे इफ़ यू वांट टू. If you want to you can go but no risk. और हमारे 2 हॉल्स है. वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लोर ऑल्सो. इट्स नॉट ओनली राइडिंग नॉन स्टॉप वाला. वी वांट टू एक्सप्लोर समथिंग ऑल्सो. एंड बिकॉज I haven't been traveled South India any time. The first time he wants me to explore some places. He is taking me there. तो फटाफट यहाँ से ब्रेकफास्ट करके इडली सांभर वड़ा स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. एंड आवर वाइट टाइगर इज रेस्टिंग देयर पीसफुल. कन्याकुमारी इज 1109 किलोमीटर. बहुत टाइम के बाद ये बोर्ड के पास हम रुक पाए. एंड हिटिंग द रोड नॉन स्टॉप नाउ. एंड नेक्स्ट हॉल्ट कहाँ पर रहेगा नेक्स्ट हॉल्ट? कर्नूल के पास जाके हम लोग रुकेंगे एंड नाउ हिटिंग द रोड अगेन. First fuel break 1663 rupees 15 लीटर एंड 109 रुपये 89 पैसे. The first state from Telangana, we reached Andhra Pradesh and we are here in Kurnool. We found this on the highway. मतलब अच्छा लगा देख के, तो we thought कि why aren't we have our lunch here? So we stopped here and see the location is quite different here. It's like huts. How was the ride so far? I keep asking the same questions. कैसे था, कहाँ हो? Because you have to say. No air inside his shoes.
No air at all.
And the climate is so harsh. This place is good like this. You can sit here and you can have a eye on your bike. Seeing all the items, we have ordered jeera rice and we have ordered curd rice.
Am I looking good?
Yes, you
Answer?
are. Yep.
Please comment. Basically राइड करने के बाद में राइडर थोड़े अजीब से लगते हैं. Even I thought I'm looking so weird. So last time when I did Bangalore, Hyderabad to Bangalore for my pioneers, we stopped here, water drinks break. Today we are having lunch break.
So in the morning we have stopped at Hill Park और वहाँ पे इडली वड़ा was good, tasty था, but we took sambar and idli. So
Sambar will do in, if you eat sambar in this function, it will look pichak in your stomach. And then you have to stop.
So why did you order?
I didn't, it happened.
It happened.
Just happened.
और इसी
And my neck is aching a lot.
राइडर के कष्टालू मतलब राइडर्स इश्यूज. he is feeling very humid and his neck is paining, so he is healing with the cold water bottle.
I'm trying to, this water bottle is sticking on my skin.
You are trying to relax your nerves,
Yeah.
but it's sticking.
But this water bottle is sticking on it.
My husband is asking how much I expect to have a breakfast. How much?
How much?
आप भी कमेंट करके बताइए कितने पैसे में आप ब्रेकफास्ट करना पसंद करेंगे. एंड माई आंसर वॉज ओनली 60 रुपये, 60 रुपीज़, 30 रुपये एक प्लेट इडली वड़ा पाव भाजी पाव कुछ भी रहे दो. इट विल कॉस्ट यू 30 or 40 bucks per person, so 100 रुपीज़ में हो जाएगा. बट वी स्पेंट अराउंड हाउ मच इन हिल पार्क. द हिल पार्क वेयर वी स्टॉप्ड, it costed around 900 rupees for idli and vada and 100 rupees for sambar and this one. And single idli costed us 55 rupees. The ambience of place, the concept was really good to park your vehicle next beside to you and have the want to eat. But it will cost you slightly here. Here we are stopped now. We are having a reasonable rate. We need to check on the taste now. Taste. सादा शाकाहारी खाना और ड्राई फ्रूट्स केशू नट्स के साथ कर्ड राइस. एंड वी आर ईटिंग लाइट खाना.
मस्त अनिपिंచింది కదా?
The time I have just opened the camera, the train is gone. ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट, ब्यूटीफुल। सिरिवल्ली, ये सिरिवल्ली जगह है जहाँ पे पुष्पा मूवी का शूटिंग हुआ है। एंड द क्लाइमेट इज ट्रूली ऑसम, मस्त ठंडी हवा आ रही है। ये पूरा जो प्लेस है फार्मिंग लैंड, एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है एंड इट्स फीलिंग वेरी नाइस। अच्छे सनसेट के साथ, डूबते हुए सूरज के साथ, ठंडी ठंडी हवा, और ये राइड ये रोड पर बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है। हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
फीलिंग गुड।
वी आर फीलिंग रियली गुड। सी, आंखों में चमक है। Sunset, and here is our white tiger and the photography. टाइम इस 7:30 बज गए हैं। स्मॉल हॉल्ट, इतने सारी कीड़े आ गए थे 6 बजते ही। ये देखिए पूरे कीड़े ही कीड़े। दैट्स द रीज़न वी हैव टेकन अ स्मॉल हॉल्ट, एक कप चाय, एंड वी हैव गॉट सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड अस who is asking about our bike, how far we can go, what is the motive and everything. So it was a very good conversation with the new people. सीखने को मिलता है, जानने को मिलता है, लोगों का थॉट प्रोसेस मालूम पड़ता है, क्यों कर रहे हैं उनको समझाने में और अच्छा लगता है। एंड अभी शायद हम लोग जो डेस्टिनेशन सेट किया था, दैट इज़ अराउंड 800 किलोमीटर्स का राइड, एज वी स्टार्टेड स्लाइटली लेट। 12 बजे का राइड स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो नाउ ऑलरेडी वी हैव ड्राइवन 400 किलोमीटर्स एंड वी आर नियर बाय Kadapa, right?
Yeah.
So we are thinking to stay nearby Kadapa and we need to find the stay. रात ढलने से पहले जाके अपने लिए घर ढूंढो, and he is slightly not feeling well. If he rests today, he can drive long tomorrow.
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling.
Yeah. Looking at the lights. Highway Halt Lodge AC rooms. We are halting here. Kadapa के पास है and we find this beautiful stay. Already 8, 9, and if we relax here, we can do our edit of the day and we can have some rest and we can start up the ride tomorrow early hours nicely. So unpacking चल रहा है थोड़ा बहुत, मतलब सिर्फ bags. Seems he's infected. दूर रहो दूर. So actually he has some kind of throat pain हो रहा है उसको, तो better is he takes rest today and instantly relax. We can have a good ride tomorrow. And सिर्फ bags लेके जा रहे हैं, nothing much to take off. Watchman रहेगा and they will take care of the luggage and everything. So going up now. This is the room we saw. It's only a riding pant. So this is the room we got here. 1000 rupees में अच्छा मिल गया highway पे exact. The ride was really awesome. The flag off, the way we have taken, and we have enjoyed today. आराम से हल्के से 400 kilometers when we started at 12 o'clock and now it is 8 o'clock and we finished this off. और जो भी रास्ते से हम लोग आए, it was wonderful. So how many kilometers we have done? This is the route we have taken here and it was like purely awesome.
Sit. So we actually thought of reaching Pondicherry. To reach Pondicherry, we have multiple ways from Hyderabad. Like one is like you can go from Vijayawada, Umbal Nellore, and the other one is like the way that we took from Kurnool. This is NH40.
NH40. So what are the destinations we have crossed from Telangana, Hyderabad,
Pradesh, Rayalaseema.
Rayalaseema, and Rayalaseema we are nearby to Kadapa.
Yeah, we are in Kadapa.
So this is the route you can take and you can enjoy the beauty of agriculture all the way. 100 kilometers of completely agriculture land. It was a freezing cold and awesome experience. So we have ordered biryani, right? You are feeling slightly well now, right?
Yeah, I'm feeling better. I mean, I just need good sleep. That's it. I'm putting all the biryani here.
Okay, and here we got our dine and here we got all the data transferring happening. The biggest challenge we have is the data transferring. I'm logging in a phone right now, so it's very easy for me.
Sit down and eat rather than sitting on a chair.
So it's quite easy for me. So I'm posting and making some reels till now, and it's already 10 o'clock. Just checking out that small things.
Biryani is enough. Don't need two.
So one biryani is enough for both of us. Hence we ordered only one biryani. After eating that, we said that if we are not okay, if we are not fulfilling our tummy, then we will order something. But this is quite enough and reasonable. 200 rupees biryani, dum biryani special wala. And अभी तो 10 बज गए हैं. So I'm closing this vlog here only. K2K ride, Jodi Riders.
I'm busy. Shweta, please carry on.
He is busy. I know.
But you don't forget to subscribe the channel, Jodi Riders.
Jodi Riders. So keep watching Jodi Riders and participate, support us in this K2K ride. The
First Telangana couple to ride from K to K on a Benelli TRK 502X. That is a complete sentence.
Okay.
I don't know why do we eat biryani, don't eat.
So please subscribe to Jodi Riders and don't forget to hit that like and share button for sure, and comment on every video and to watch the videos and enjoy the ride.
the moments, enjoy the joy and happiness that we are going through this ride. Hope you will enjoy it, and don't forget.
Bye.
Bye.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.